Farmer was in the field with his cows and he counted them and he had 196 of them. But later on when he rounded them up, he had 200. You're welcome. Oh yeah! Into the garden.
Woo! I think it's past the garden.
Oh, okay then. Sandwich golfing.
So we moved some stuff back here behind me, as you can see. We got the boiler moved back there. The trailer with all the wood on it kind of cleared up this space, so when the guys come to work on the garage, getting that floor poured, everything's out of their way. So it's all back there now. The garden, we also raked through here. Jeremy drove through it with the side-by-side and a big pallet behind him and just dragged it across, raking this part. So the grass is starting to come up, which is really awesome. We've had a ton of rain lately. The garden's been dug up and we're ready to plant. We're just gonna wait until the end of this week to make sure there's no more frost that's gonna come in the night and kill all the plants. So at the end of the week, we will start planting everything we have inside started, and then the rest of the packages in the garden. So we're excited to get that done.
Not there.
There? Yeah, we're good, 3 1/4. $32.50.
Dang.
Here, probably.
Is there a third one there?
Yeah, I'm in the middle one.
You can go to the third one, in the middle of the third one. Or does it go in a bit though?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, go to the other one.
Yeah, 71.5.
Yeah. 53.5. Woman was waiting for me.
Oh, what happened there?
Seems a little high. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying this again now that you can't screw it up. It was your fault.
Yeah.
Even though I measured it, it was still your fault. You made me
That's
measure wrong.
better.
You're a distraction. There. Is it?
Sure looks like it.
What's this do?
Oh,
Huh?
I don't know about that one.
You measure it.
Really? No, but
Yeah, it'd be nice when we get this all cleaned up in here. Eh?
oh yeah. This we should just take this fire burning stuff.
Oh yeah, this. All this, eh?
All this stuff, right? Junk.
That might work. Yeah, it's not
Look at
as
it.
bad. Yep.
No good.
Well, and if you were gonna put the screws in the hemlock,
Thank God we didn't.
like
do
we
this.
did to hold that one
Yeah.
from cupping on us, crowning, whatever. This stuff here just splits when you do it. You'd have to have pilot holes all the way
Be
through it.
fine.
Even drilling pilot holes would be splitting on you.
Yeah.
It's just, and I looked it up, a lot of people talked about it splits. I mean, it still looks alright. I just would do it again.
Yeah. I guess.
Never used to do that,
No.
but maybe that's what he meant by it too. Alright, so we got that. Done.
Yeah. Another
Up this-
section.
Yeah, another piece of the puzzle. We're gonna go up the middle of the next two probably tomorrow. We're kind of doing this while we do some stuff outside, things like that, a whole bunch of different things, right?
Yeah.
So we come in here and bang off some of this when we can too. We got to head to our camper today, do a few more things there. We opened it up a couple days ago. We'll show you that here at some point.
Yeah. We'll take you on a tour. We haven't taken you guys to see the camper yet.
Yeah, it's a different one than we lived in before. But our grass is starting to grow out there. Showed you that was actually the grass at the start that was zoomed in there. Don't know how the garden's gonna go. We may or may not end up with a vegetable this year.
We'll see. Hopefully.
But a lot of people saying about you're gonna fence it in, and honestly, if we have a problem with deer coming in or moose or anything,
Yeah, we'd
that's
love
a
that.
problem we'll welcome.
Yeah, we would just want to see the animals there. So.
Because moose or deer, if they eat vegetables, then
We
we
eat them.
Then we shoot them. We eat them. We eat vegetables and meat.
Bonus.
All right.
See you in the next one.